In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to layer images in Canva. Layering images is what lets you place one picture in front of or behind another, so you can create depth, overlaps, and more interesting designs. Think of it like stacking paper cutouts on a table. Whatever is on top is what you see first, and whatever is underneath is partly hidden. Canva makes this really simple once you know where the controls are, so let's walk through it step by step. First, open your design in the Canva editor. This can be any design you're working on: a social media graphic, a presentation slide, a poster, anything. Once your design is open, click on the image you want to layer. As soon as you select it, a toolbar will appear across the top of the screen. This top bar is where you'll find many of your editing options, including the one we need for layering. On that toolbar, look for the option called Position and click it. When you do this, a position panel will open on the left side of your screen. This panel contains different tools that control where your selected element sits on the page and how it interacts with other elements. Inside the position panel, under the Arrange section, you'll see options labeled forward, backward, to front, and to back. These are your main layering tools. If you choose forward or backward, you move the selected image just one layer at a time. So forward brings it up slightly, in front of the element that was just above it. Backward does the opposite, sending it one step behind. This is useful when you want to make precise adjustments without jumping too far. If you need a bigger change, use to front or to back. To front brings your selected image all the way to the top of the stack, making it the foremost element. To back sends it completely behind all other elements on the page. These options are perfect when you know you want something fully on top or completely in the background. You can also manage your layers from the Layers tab in that same position panel. Switch over to the Layers view and you'll see a list of all the elements in your design, each represented as a layer. Find the layer that corresponds to your image, then simply drag it up to bring it in front of layers below, or drag it down to place it behind layers above. This method gives you a clear overview of the entire stacking order, which is especially helpful in complex designs with lots of elements. With these tools, you can quickly control which images appear in front, which sit behind, and how everything fits together visually in your Canva designs.